Good morning, children. Welcome to our today's class. In last class, you learned about digestive system and respiratory system. Now, in today's class, we are going to deal with two more systems which work in our body. They are circulatory system and excretory system. The keywords in this lesson are circulatory, circulatory, system, system, circulatory system. And the main organ in this system is heart, Heart, heart. And the next keyword is excretory, system, excretory system. And the main organ in excretory system is kidneys, kidneys. Before knowing about these two systems, you can do one small activity, children. Just below your thumb, near the wrist part, just below your thumb, press a little. Under the index finger, your wrist side, inner side of the wrist, under the index finger, just press gently. You can hear some throbbing sound. This is known as pulse. And for 1 minute, how many times this throbbing sound is coming? How many times you are feeling throbbing sensation? That is known as your pulse rate. So your pulse rate is related with your circulatory system. Now keep your hand on your chest part and feel that some sensation. If you little press it inside, then you can feel some sensation. Your pulse rate is also related with your circulatory system. And the main organ in the circulatory system is your heart. So the heart is pumping blood to all parts of the body. The heart is pumping blood to all parts of the body. And these red color vessels, the red color vessels which are coming from the heart, known as arteries. So arteries are taking blood from heart to different parts of the body, and they are also collecting impure blood. This blue color veins will collect impure blood, again bring back to the heart. So this is called as pumping the blood. So which organ is doing that function in our body? The heart is performing that function. The heart is pumping blood to all the parts of our body. So it is circulating throughout the body, and the blood is helping to send oxygen and nutrients to each and every part of the body. You learnt about digestive system, respiratory system. So every system need oxygen, every system need nutrients. So those all are supplied along with the blood by heart. So heart is pumping the blood. So the blood is only carrying oxygen and nutrients to each and every part of the body. This is about your circulatory system, children. And now, after transporting to each and every part of your body will use that blood, and they will break down the food and release energy for us. By using that energy only, we are performing or doing all our daily works. And then when they are doing all the works, or when they are releasing energy for us, they are also creating or producing some waste materials. So that waste should be eliminated or thrown out, should throw out from the body regularly. If not, we'll get some diseases. So that work is done by our excretory system. The system which is helping to send out the waste materials known as excretory system. The system which is helping to send the waste products known as excretory system. So this is the excretory system, and in this the kidneys are the main organs. The brown color parts, they are present at back side of your body, just below your backbone. This heart is present at chest in the chest, middle of your chest part, bent towards the left side, little bent towards the left side. So your heart is located at chest part, whereas your kidneys are located at the back side of your body. So how many kidneys we have? We have two kidneys, this brown color, bean shape. You all know the rajma seeds. You all know the bean seeds. So your kidneys are in that shape. They are helping in which system? Excretory system. What's the meaning of excretion? Sending the waste material out of the body, known as excretion. So what organs are the main organs in excretion? The kidneys are the main organs in excretion. So they will collect all that impure blood and they will filter in the kidney, and they will send only the waste water, waste materials to these tubes. From this tube will come to the bladder. From there the urine is passed out. So in the form of urine, the waste products are sending outside with the help of a system called as excretory system. So now in today's class, you are learning about excretory system and you also learned about circulatory system. Now you know the important parts in both of these systems. So in your circulatory system, what is the main important part? The heart is main important organ in your circulatory system. And what is the function it's doing? It's pumping blood throughout the body, and it has some blood vessels. The red color blood vessels are called arteries. So through arteries they are sending blood to all parts of the blood body. What blood is carrying? Blood is carrying oxygen and nutrients to each and every part of the body. So this is about your circulatory system. The main part in the circulatory system is your heart, that is located in the chest part. So the blood is taking oxygen to each and every part, and with the help of oxygen food get breakdown and release the energy for us. And the next system is excretory system. So excretory system is helping to eliminate the waste products from the body. So there are the main organs in the excretory system are kidneys. We have two kidneys in our body. They are in bean shape and they are present at backside of our body. They are helping to eliminate the waste products in form of urine. So this is about your excretory system, children. And now you all see in your volume 2 page 12. He asked some questions here. Name the three things that we excrete from our body. So not only the urine, children, we are also excreting the carbon dioxide from our nose. You learnt in respiratory system, we are taking air inside and our body use oxygen from the air. At same time, we are breathing out, carbon dioxide is coming out. So that carbon dioxide is also one of the waste product. And in from our skin we will get the sweat. Most in summer season we get lot amount of sweat in our body. So that sweat is also one of the waste product. So what are the three excretory products in our body means? One is carbon dioxide, one is sweat, and the other one is urine. So which organs and organ systems help to excrete these? So to excrete carbon dioxide, which system is helping? The respiratory system is helping to excrete the carbon dioxide. And which system is helping to excrete the sweat? Sweat glands are helping to excrete the sweat. And which system is helping to excrete the urine? Excretory system is helping to excrete the urine. So can you write this answer, children? Yes, you can. Now, human circulatory system diagram he gave, and he is asking you to label it. So, what is this organ, children? This is, yes, you are right, this is heart. So, draw a line here like this and put an arrow mark and write here heart. And these blood vessels, tube-like structures are veins, arteries. So draw a line here and write as arteries. A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S. Arteries. Okay. So he is asking you to label the parts. And the last question is, what role does blood play inside our body? Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to each and every part of the body. That is the function of our blood. So the blood function is carrying oxygen from heart to all parts of the body, and it is not only carrying oxygen, nutrients also it's carrying, that means food also it's carrying to each and every part of the body. So this is your today's homework, children. So complete page number 12, and in tomorrow's class we will discuss about our nervous system. So you nicely understood about circulatory system. Okay, so till now you learnt about circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system and excretory system. Okay, thank you, children.